The lymphatic system works to support the circulatory system, consisting of lymph, lymphocytes, nodes and tissues. Its function is to drain and carry excess fluid and foreign particles from body tissues and cells to lymph nodes, transport fats from the digestive tract to the blood, produce lymphocytes to deal with waste and toxins, and develop antibodies to defend the body against infection. The drainage part of the lymphatic system is very similar in structure and considered an extension of the venous part of the circulatory system. It consists of a series of one-way tubes that start as tiny vessels in the tissues and join others to form larger and larger vessels, which eventually have to pass through a node to be cleansed before being returned to the blood through ducts via the subclavian vein. The capillary walls are extremely permeable and will allow larger amounts of interstitial fluid containing protein that are too large to enter the blood capillaries to pass through. If there's any damage or inflammatory healing happening in the body, the lymphatic capillaries become even more permeable to allow the debris to enter. Once inside the lymphatic capillaries, the fluid is called lymph and contains the same constituents as plasma, such as fibrinogen, albumin, globulin and water. When we eat fats, they're not absorbed into the blood like other nutrients, but into special lymph ducts from the villi in the small intestines called lacteals. We therefore need to consider the source of fat we eat and potential toxins that they may contain to ensure the lymphatic system is not overstressed and unable to do its job properly. Unlike the circulatory system, the lymphatic system doesn't have a pump. The vessels have one-way valves, just like veins, allowing flow in one direction towards the heart. Lymph is moved around through vessels very slowly by the squeezing of surrounding muscles during skeletal movement, pressure changes in the thorax during deep breathing, and smooth muscle in the larger lymph vessels that contract rhythmically. The system is essential for the distribution of fluid throughout the body, draining up to 3 litres of excess fluid from the capillary beds each day. If this process doesn't work properly, then the fluid remains in the capillary bed, causing swelling known as edema. This can be caused by fluctuation in hormone levels or something more serious such as high blood pressure or heart failure. The lymph is returned to the heart via 2 main ducts. The right thoracic duct receives lymph from the right arm and right side of the head, draining into the right subclavian vein, whilst the thoracic duct receives lymph from the left side of the head and neck, left arm, lower limbs and abdomen and drains into the left subclavian vein. The lymph then mixes with the venous blood and continues back around the systemic circulation.